What part am I least looking forward to? It? All of it. Yeah, I'm genuinely getting my testicles waxed. So.
Yeah, I'm terrified. I'm really terrified.
See, I'm sweating already. There's no problem. I've done nothing yet.
It's literally going to be all of my hair being ripped out of my skin, along with a layer of skin. Oh, I can't. Oh my god.
Okay, so just want to keep your legs apart from me.
Oh no.
How do you feel?
Vulnerable.
Wait, are you started?
That's good.
What are you doing?
I'll start when you want me to.
Okay.
What is this? Is that wax? Okay. I mean, what else would it be?
Oh! Is that it? No. Okay.
Are you just doing the whole arse in one go?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I mean, the heat itself. Ah! Ah! It's so quick.
Ah!
No! Ah! Am I bleeding?
No.
That's my hip. Backsack crack hip.
Just relax your backside, okay?
Oh, I've heard that before.
I feel like someone's dismantling a wardrobe. Like that's the ferocity that I'm being attended to with.
It feels like there's 1,000 needles in my arse.
No, have you ever been robbed before and you know it's gonna happen, but it just happens and you're like, this wasn't part of the script.
Okay, so I need you to become a position for me.
What's
I
that?
want
Oh
you- I
no,
want
this
you
is
to
the one
put
I
your
would.
knees. That's it. And this one.
This is how it starts.
Put it down, that's it.
Oh my god, I feel like I'm in prison.
Ah! Okay, this is a lot burnier.
That's a heat I've never felt there.
Really, that is too deep, you know? Really?
Oh!
Okay, my oh! Just made a new friend.
Yeah, great. I feel like I'm on holiday.
My mom raised me better than this.
Yeah, turn around there, please.
Oh, here we go.
I feel like I'm about to give birth. Like I'm gonna throw my legs up on stirrups.
This is much hotter than the other one.
Oh, don't say that.
Oh, that is hot.
Oh, you're not wrong. You are not wrong.
Oh yeah, lash more on, why don't you?
I don't want to do this no more. I don't. No, it doesn't have to come off. It doesn't. Listen, it's okay. It's okay. It will come up at his own time.
Was. Oh, it easily was the worst.
Oh my god. Mazel tov.
Oh, that was my fucking. That was the worst one yet.
This is a lot sore. Oof. Sorry, I'm so sorry if I flail there, but
I do now. All I feel is like I feel like calmer and I feel like in one with the world. You know.
am I gonna be a better swimmer now?
Yeah, I feel a lot lightheaded.
I feel numb. I feel numb and like gooey.
Yeah, I didn't expect there to be positions, put it like that. I didn't expect myself to open all fours. And like, widen your legs there, hold your arse cheek open please. I was like, yeah, that's the part I was like, okay, wasn't ready for that.
I'm just holding my beard, just really appreciating that it's still there.
Can you move my balls to the side? Like, can you move it to the left? Like, just move it to the like, no.